Hello, and welcome to this lesson on project planning. Scheduling. In earlier lessons, we introduced project planning and the work breakdown structure. We saw how complex projects can be divided into smaller, manageable work packages. Now, we will explore how these activities are sequenced and estimated to produce a workable project schedule. Let's begin with an important distinction: effort versus elapsed time. Effort refers to the actual amount of work needed, while elapsed time is how long it will take depending on the number of resources available. For example, a task estimated at 20 days effort will take 20 calendar days if one person works on it. But if two people can share the work, it may take only 10 days. The role of the project manager is to manage elapsed time by assigning resources effectively. The project schedule itself is usually shown as a bar chart. It tells us two things: the sequence of activities and the planned start and finish dates. Creating a schedule is iterative. We make assumptions, draft the schedule, and then revise it until it balances resources with deadlines. Often, activities can be carried out in parallel, not just in sequence. For example, in a feasibility study, one analyst could conduct interviews while another investigates existing systems. Running tasks in parallel reduces total project time. However, partitioning work is not always simple. Some tasks cannot be divided equally, and coordination takes time. Communication within the team also increases as the team grows, which can reduce efficiency. When building schedules, we must also allow for delays. Some tasks depend on external inputs, such as vendor responses or user feedback. If these are not included, the schedule becomes unrealistic. Another key concept is project milestones. Milestones are control points that mark significant achievements, such as completing specifications or acceptance testing. They help track progress and reassure both managers and customers. Too many milestones dilute their importance, while too few reduce control. Next is resource planning. Resources include people, hardware, software, and services. A resource plan tells us how many of each type are needed and when. This ensures costs are anticipated and procurement happens on time. We also need to build in contingency. Even the best plans face unexpected challenges. Contingency provides extra time and budget to manage risks such as unclear requirements, resource shortages, or scope changes. Importantly, contingency should be controlled by the project manager. Finally, we consider budgets. Budgets summarize all costs: labor, hardware, software, travel, training, and more. They also include timing of cash inflows and outflows. Contingency should appear in the budget, but only once, to avoid duplication. To conclude, project scheduling is about more than drawing charts. It is about balancing effort and time, sequencing and parallelism, resources and risks, and delivering results within agreed budgets. A well-prepared schedule supports effective control, reduces uncertainty, and keeps projects on track. Thank you for following this lesson.